Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And this video, guys, is in my lost file, so I put it together for you guys for visual, just visual candy, I guess. As you can see, this is my old backdrop. Excuse the background, but I know I showed you guys this, so I already did the quick weave. If you need to know how to do a full quick weave tutorial, I have plenty of those on my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-to's, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just join the squad, hit that subscribe button, and I'll love on you over here. Now I'm just trimming her up. We just finished the quick weave, and I did the cut. I couldn't find the cut, but maybe I'll grab the cut somewhere in the archives for you guys, and I'll cover it up. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you're not subscribed, please join and hit the subscribe button. You'll get a lot of tips and tricks from my channel. And yeah, so enjoy. membership. You won't regret it. You can also send super things if you like the videos. And sometimes I put my cash app, but sometimes I don't. I don't know if I put this video. But yeah, you guys can do a lot of things to support the channel. Just liking the video basically. Yeah, so I want to tell you guys this thing where I'm using is Dreamweaver, and I did use 27 pieces. I think that was Dreamweaver also. So if you're wondering about the hair that this is, but yeah. So we're almost to the end, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this Pixie Mohawk Quickweave, Pixie cut Mohawk Quickweave. And I, of course, always have more to come for you guys. Make sure that you like the video if you made it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I have some surprises coming up. I still have that unboxing to do, but we'll get there, guys. We will get there. And I'll see you all in the next